GMG Davy Crockett is the ultimate tailgating grill. Includes SenseMate, a thermal sensor which constantly monitors grill temperature. Listing includes premium Pellet exclusive black grill cover. Includes Davy Crockett collapsible rack for more grilling space. Includes Pellet magnetic grill lights. The GMG Davy Crockett is the pellet grill that goes everywhere. Great for picnics, tailgates, beach parties as well as the backyard or patio. 12 VDC 9 pounds fuel hopper 219 SQ. In. Of cooking surface folding legs stainless steel baffles, 150 to 550 temp range auto start. Stainless hood end Wi-Fi now standard.